Hello. Real quick, I just want to let you guys know that I will be doing this recording on my phone because my laptop is not wanting to upload the video that I recorded on my laptop. So for this assignment, we were to watch a video where the therapist used solution-focused brief therapy on a family who was kind of dealing with feelings of hopelessness, kind of just as a whole, but they were mostly there for their son, who I believe was 16. And throughout this session, we were able to see the therapist use a lot of tools that can be used in solution-focused brief therapy. The first tool that I noticed was the use of the exception questions. So these are kind of just questions where, specifically the therapist in this video asked the family to kind of talk about a time where before this was really a problem, about kind of like and talk about when things were different. So this was able to let the family see that this problem has not always been there, and that they can talk about times when things were better, things were different, and start working towards getting back to how things used to be. The next tool that I seen the social worker use was the miracle question. So basically, the therapist asked the family to talk about a time where, the social worker asked the family that if they woke up in the morning and the problem was no longer there, what would be the first thing they noticed? What would be different? And so this question kind of allowed the family to talk about each of what their miracles would look like, and that opens a lot more communication and understanding amongst the family, as well as the family was able to kind of start looking at that as a base to form goals, where kind of like where they want to be at the end of therapy. So I believe that that was very beneficial for that reason. And the last tool I kind of want to talk about is scaling that the therapist used. The therapist kind of asked, on a scale of 1 to 10, where would you rate Joe on the hopelessness scale, as well as kind of like the family as a whole. This opened up conversation and opened up a way for the family to understand kind of like where they individually feel where they're at, as well as where the family sees that they are at. So this kind of is just like, again, it opens up a lot of communication. I feel that the miracle question and scaling were both probably the most beneficial out of this session, just because, again, it was able to kind of open up communication amongst the family and see like where each of them would like to be at the end of this, and how truthfully the others feels about this situation. And obviously it was very beneficial because we can see in the second session that things are looking up for the family.